Hello my pretties, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys this look which I have achieved using some of my new makeup. So this is not a first impressions video. I have used these products a couple of times before, but I haven't given you guys a quick review about the products. So yeah, that's what the video is gonna be about. If you wish to see, then keep on watching. I'm gonna start by using this sunscreen by Mamaearth, which has turmeric and carrot seed. Now sunscreen is very important, and I cannot do without a sunscreen because otherwise I get white patches on my forehead. It's quite hydrating and smells good as well, so you can check it out. And this has SPF 50, which protects you from UVA and UVB rays. Also takes care of your tan, and it's not flaky at all. It's quite moisturizing and hydrating, so you can definitely check it out. So Mamaearth has come up with the goodness report. Mamaearth has also launched their official website for Android and iOS users, so I'll keep the links in the description box in case you want to check it out. You'll get early access to all the offers and discounts that they offer. For my primer, I'm using Becca priming filter, which instantly refreshes your complexion. I'll keep the picture here. You can check out their mini travel size versions. Next, I'm concealing my dark circles using this Viseart concealer. Now I'm trying this product for the first time. All matte with really good coverage, but if you're someone who loves a hydrating concealer, then this is not for you. But yeah, it has a good coverage. Also, you can check out the products on their website. They have some 20% off going on. For my foundation today, I'm going to be using the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Filter Foundation, and this is too white for me. I ordered it online and got the wrong shade, but I'm gonna make this work anyhow because I've spent a bomb on this product. So yeah, I am blending it out, and once I have full face of makeup on, this will be fine because this kind of oxidizes a little bit. I'm talking about the pros and the cons. The texture, guys, the texture is so different. It's unique. I haven't tried something like this before, so it's definitely worth investing my money in. It's so light in weight that you do not feel like you have anything on your face. It's transfer proof, completely transfer proof, has medium buildable coverage, and I'm spritzing some setting spray to kind of blend it well, because honestly guys, I completely forgot to moisturize my skin really well this time, so I kind of struggle a little bit for my base. But yeah, moving on, I'm using the MAC Studio Fix to set my face. Now this happens when you try out the products for the first time because you have no idea how they will perform, and that's how you learn, by trying out different things. Now you can see my base looks a little bit drying, but I know what not to do next time. For my blush, I'm using this lip color by Maybelline, their coffee collection, and for my highlighter, I'm using Fenty Beauty. Now I added this product because I have used it a couple of times only, because the moment I got it I broke it, so I'm using it now. For my eye makeup, I'm using the Naked 2 palette by Urban Decay. Again, I haven't used it enough, so I'm picking up a cool tone brown shade and applying it on my crease. Next, I'm packing this rose gold shimmery shade on my lid. I'm gonna take it a little towards the brow bone as well, so I'm gonna cover all the space, leaving just a little bit of area under my brow. I'm gonna make the look dramatic by adding a nice wing liner. So we are going to start by smoking out the outer corner using a black eyeshadow. So I'm creating a little wing and then smudging it out around my outer corner. It's just like creating an inverted V, and I'm smudging my lower lash line as well using black eyeshadow. Now it's time to create some drama. I am adding some liner by Forever 52 gel liner, and I am gonna create a nice lengthy wing. I'm also filling my lower lash line with the same liner, and here I'm ready with a sleek nice ponytail. So I'm adding this mascara by Too Faced Better Than Love mascara, and I've also added my falsies. For lip shade, I'm using the same that we used as blush, so it's called Caramel Collector from the Maybelline Coffee collection, and I'm topping it up with the Fenty Beauty gloss. So this is the completed look, and I hope you guys like it because I am in love with this look. Also, before ending this video, I would like to give you my final review whether you should buy these products or not. Now talking about the airbrush Flawless Filter Foundation by Charlotte Tilbury, I quite like it. You can see my base looks pretty good, and it kind of matches my Next formulation is something else only. I really like the texture. It's transfer proof. Just one thing, you have to moisturize and hydrate your skin really well before applying this foundation because it's quite matte. So yeah, that's the only con that I could find of this product. Yeah, talking about the Viseart concealer, it's full coverage concealer. It's matte, so the texture is really like the Tarte Shape Tip concealer. If you've tried it out, then you do not need to get your hands on this one because दोनों का texture बिल्कुल same है. अभी definitely ले सकते हो because Tarte Shape is 2600 और this one is I think 16 or 1800. Talking about everybody's favorite MAC Studio Fix powder plus foundation. Must buy. I loved it. मुझे पता नहीं मैंने क्यों अब तक नहीं लिया. Must buy because इसका कवरेज अच्छा है, लाइट वेट है and you can use it on top of your moisturizer. ऐसे ही आपको कुछ मेकअप फाउंडेशन वगैरह लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है and you'll be good to go. So yeah, that's about today's video. I hope you guys like it. If you did, make sure you hit the like button, leave a comment below and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and do let me know what other looks you wish to see next, and I'm gonna see you next time. Bye bye.